Chakwi is a delicious main course dish in Tripura. This amazing dish is mainly prepared with pork and chicken since most of the Tripura cuisines are based on meat. A slushy stew made with seasonal vegetables, finely chopped onions or green onions, fried fish, and water. Boil seasonal vegetables and season them with chopped onions, ginger, cloves, garlic, and salt. Serve this stew hot, typically with rice or fish, for the best enjoyment. As the name clearly suggests, this dish mainly comprises of corns. Grated corns are well cooked with spices and skimmed milk, which adds a slightly sweet taste to the dish. Mustard seeds and green chilies are further added to enhance the taste. The dish has a distinct coconut flavor and is available at any restaurant in Bangalore. The recipe is a complicated one that involves many vegetables and flavors, but the dish is a must-try. Dal bati churma is one of the most popular typical Rajasthani cuisine, containing a 3-in-1 treat on one plate. Dal is one of the main dishes of Rajasthan, and churma is a very popular well-known Rajasthani sweet made up of using coarsely ground wheat flour and besan. Mouth-watering cuisine is often served with spicy tomato chutney and sometimes with a clear soup called thukpa. Momo is basically a bite-sized dumpling made with a spoonful of stuffing of either meat or veggies and then cooked in the steaming method. It is simply a meal made with dried bamboo shoots, chilies, and herbs. With boiling rice, this meal is wonderful. Tunde ke kebab basically comes from Lucknow, which is known as the city of Nawabs due to its royal history. Lucknowi people love meaty delights such as kebabs. All the vegetarians out there, don't be disappointed. Karsangri is your refuge for the heart. This traditional dish from Rajasthan combines kar berries and sangri beans into a mouth-watering delight. Delicious misa mat pura is a side dish. The chef prepares grilled shrimp with a mixture of spices, lemon juice, orange zest, and mustard oil. In addition to these delicacies, you should sample their two well-known drinks while visiting Mizoram. Odisha's unique recipe for cheesecake. People frequently offer China Poda, a delicacy famous in Odisha, to Lord Jagannath in the Puri temple, and it remains his favorite. This is an easy-to-make, incredibly tasty meal that you can find in almost any place. Chila is flat chapati-like dish which is prepared with the rice batter mixed with the urad dal. To grab the best taste of chila, complement it with the green chutney. Chila is an important part of the breakfast meal of the people of Chhattisgarh. Dhuska or dhuska is a popular deep-fried snack eaten all over Jharkhand and Bihar, India. The dish is one of the delicacies of Jharkhandi cuisine. The main ingredients in this savory fried bread dish are powdered rice, powdered chana dal. It is often served with any sauce or chutney. Jado is a traditional dish of Meghalaya and especially comes from the Khasi tribe from Meghalaya. This cuisine is a kind of biryani prepared in Meghalaya. This recipe doesn't need a long list of ingredients, it just needs basmati rice and a few Indian spices.